Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to copy link of any video from YouTube here. So first of all you need to open your YouTube application here. After opening the YouTube here, click on the video that you want to copy the link of the video. Just open the video here.
Everyone's been talking.
After opening the video, you will see an option called share option here. So you just have to click on the share option here. Here you will see an option called copy link, chats and WhatsApp and other message here. So just tap on the copy link here. Also you can share this link with the messenger on WhatsApp here. So just tap on the copy link here. As you can see, there's an option called copied here. So this video link is now copied. So if you go to any other message option here or any other website that you want to share this link here, just open the messenger or anything here. Just paste the link here. As you can see, this is the copy link of the YouTube video here. So this is the link of the YouTube video. So that's it guys. This is how you copy link of any video from your Android mobile or any other phone here. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to this channel and thank you for watching.